All right, so our last little bit of 8.1 on our Polygon basics, we're going to talk about the Polygon exterior angle sum theorem. So the sum of the exterior angles of a convex polygon is 360 degrees. That is for every convex polygon, regardless of how many sides it has. The total sum is 360 degrees. Another really important fact is what I've got right down here below that. If I add an interior angle to an exterior angle, those would add up to 180 degrees. So let's go to, oh wait, I didn't do that first example. So in our first example, I have a regular hexagon. A hexagon is 6 sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total is 360. So 360 divided by 6 gives me what each one of those exterior angles are. 360 divided by 6 is 60 degrees. So everywhere that you see an X in this image, that X is 60 degrees. Every one of these little corners, every one of these little spaces, every one of those angles on the outside of that polygon is 60 degrees. So our next example, find the measure of one of the exterior angles of a regular dodecagon. All right, I'm pretty sure you may not have remembered what a dodecagon was. So we go all the way back to example 2. Dodecagon is 12. So 12-sided figure. 12. So that means that one of those exterior angles would be 360 divided by 12. I can almost do that in my head. Yep, 30 degrees. I would have got that right. So find the measure of the interior and exterior angles of a regular pentagon. All right, pentagon, 5 sides. 360 divided by 5 is 72. So that means the exterior angle is 72 degrees. So the interior plus the exterior equals 180. So I'm going to say 180 minus 72, and that answer will tell me what that interior angle is. So 180 minus 72 is 108. So the interior angles of a regular pentagon are each 108 degrees. Last slide. The sum of the measures of the angles in a polygon is 2,880. How many sides does the polygon have? Okay, so let's think about this. The sum of the measures of the angles in a polygon. So that means that when I take my formula, which is n minus 2, we talked about that one yesterday, times 180. When I take that formula, it equals 2,880. So, how can I solve for n? Yeah, I just type that into Desmos, replace it with an x. Make sure you use parentheses or you'll end up with the wrong answer on these problems. 18. N is 18. Last example. The measure of an exterior angle is 30 degrees. Find the measure of an interior angle and the number of sides in that polygon. Okay. Exterior angle. So when we talked about exterior, we used 360. 360 divided by 30 would tell me how many sides it has. It's 12 sides. And I want an interior angle. All right, well, I've already said an interior plus an exterior equals 180. So 180 subtract 30 is going to give me 150 degrees. So I've answered that question.